Hi everyone. So today I am going to give a very important presentation here. So as you can see that in today's presentation we are going to talk about that there are three things which are important in our presentation, like the content, cosmetics, presentation, presenter. Steps to a successful and effective presentation would be preparing a presentation, preparing yourself, handling an audience, presentation aids. No, this is not how you give a presentation. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Nirja, and in today's video we are going to discuss about what are certain points that we need to keep in mind while giving a killer presentation. Today I'm going to teach you about such 5 tips that you need to keep in mind whenever you're going for your presentation. We are talking about to present something. So there are two main things. One is the presenter, in this case, which is you, and the another one is your presentation, something that you're going to display on the board. Okay, so this video will be a mix of both of these things, and I hope you're ready for today's video, because I am ready and I am going to make you a confident presenter by the end of this video. So stay tuned and watch till the end. Before that, subscribe, like, comment and share my videos to whosoever need it. So let's get started. Whatever may be the reason for not being able to perform well during presentations, it can have a lot of impact on your professional presence also. That's why it is important for all of us to understand how to give good presentations. For instance, it can affect your self-confidence. It will also be a bad impact on your client if it is a professional meeting. So to overcome this and avoid it, this situation, you need some planning and repeated practices before time. However, there are some tips and tricks that you should know about how to perform well during the delivery. Let's have a look at some of the useful suggestions that can help you to make a killer presentation. Number one is storytelling. Storytelling is the new method to hook your crowd. This is one of the best way to make your presentation effective and long lasting. Why? Because people remember stories. People love to visualize scenarios. There are two ways to do it. Number one, you can present the main topic in the form of a story by linking each point with the other. Number two, or you can start with one of your own life stories related to the topic. Now, point number two is, who is your audience? You need to know your audience, because you're presenting for them. You need to understand what is their learning style. Some people are visual learners, some are auditory learners, or some can be a mix of both, which means that it is important to use multimedia whenever you are presenting. What is multimedia? It means you need to use videos, pictures and audios, beautiful colors or themes to make it look catchy and hook your crowd. Number three, keep asking questions. One of the major problems with presenters is they make it one-way communication only. It needs to be engaged. You need to engage your audience and hence ask them as many questions as possible, because the fear of sudden questions will make people more attentive towards the topic. But always remember to stay on track and do not deviate from the topic. Do you remember when we used to be in classes, our teachers used to ask us questions randomly and it used to alert you? That's exactly what I'm talking about here. Now let us talk about number four. Less is more. Keep slides as simple as possible. Just take a look at this slide. And now take a look at this slide. Which one looks better? Of course, the one with less text. Do not be over with a lot of text, because your audience is going to be bored and nobody reads so much text on screen. So please make sure that you are more engaging with your audience rather than reading the slides from the presentation, which again is going to give you a killer presentation. Now let us talk about number five, which is move. What do I mean by move? I have seen so many people, they just stand at one place and they will be presenting. So this is what we are going to talk about. This here, as you can see, this, no, this is not to be done. Okay, what you need to do is you need to move continuously and you need to engage, or you need to show hand gestures whenever you are presenting, so that people can be hooked to you, or you do not look like they are listening to a robot. Okay, so move around, look at people, make proper eye contact, keep your body language in check. So that's it for today's video, everyone. I hope you liked all the 5 tips that I talked about here. And in case if there are any questions, you can always drop them in the comment section. I will be very happy to answer those questions. And thank you so much for subscribing or liking my videos. So even 1% support matters a lot on YouTube. I understand that. So thank you so much for watching my video. I will see you in next video. Let me know which topic do you want to see next. Till then, bye bye.